Okay, another part of the axial skeleton is your sternum. The sternum is broken up into parts. You have your manubrium, which is the bone on the top, and on the top of it, it's kind of like concaved right here, which is called the jugular notch. We have the body of the sternum, which is the main part of your sternum, and then we have the xiphoid process, which is the bottom pointy part of the sternum. Okay, and the last part of the exoskeleton system is your ribs. The top part of the ribs, which is the first 5 of them, are called true ribs. And the reason why they're called true ribs is because they actually attach to the sternum. The second part of your ribs are called false ribs. Your false ribs are called your vertebral ribs. And they're called false ribs because they don't actually individually attach to the sternum. And then down here on the bottom, you have what are called your floating ribs, or your vertebral ribs. And they're actually called floating ribs because they don't attach to the sternum anywhere at all. They just kind of float in the bottom of your body. Okay, and your ribs are attached to your vertebrae. Right here we have the head of the rib, the neck of the rib, and the tubercle of the rib. With the way they attach to your vertebrae, they attach by 2 facets. One of them joins the actual vertebrae number that matches the same number as your ribs. The other one, the other part of it attaches to the superior vertebrae exactly above it, and that's the way they help articulate.